Welcome to Code Fun. I'm Rosie. Let's have some fun. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, good to pay our way. Thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun. Digi, come on out. Huh? I can't see Digi anywhere. Tell me if you see Digi, okay? Digi! Digi? Oh, I can't find Digi. Tell me if you see Digi, okay? Cool. What was that? You see Digi? Where? Oh, thanks. Oh. Are you sure you saw Digi? Whoa! Digi! What are you doing hanging from the ceiling?
I was just trying out the magnetic setting on my robot feet.
Awesome! Well, now that we're all here, let's get this party started!
Karawe!
Titiro mai! I'm painting He Pūrerehua, a butterfly. Hey, Digi!
Wow! I wish I could paint a butterfly like that.
Well, I can show you how, Digi.
Really?
Really?
Cool!
Oh, Digi's a robot, and robots need clear instructions to be able to do things. Will you help me show Digi how to paint a butterfly? Ka pai e hoa. Let's go, Digi, to paint a butterfly. If you want to see a robot paint, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time.
Woohoo!
Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to paint a butterfly until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so we can help Digi together. Come on, find a clear space with lots of room. Okay, first of all, use your forefinger as the paintbrush. Now paint the number 3. Now use your other finger and paint a backwards 3 beside it. Now paint a line down the middle for the body. And now paint a V up the top for the antennae. Karawe! You painted a butterfly. Let's show Digi. First of all, use your forefinger as the paintbrush. Join in, my friend. Okay, now paint the number 3. Ooh! Nice one, Digi. Okay, now this time stay where you are, but paint a backwards 3 beside it. That's better. Okay, now paint a line down the middle for the body. Now paint a V up the top for the antennae. Nice one, Digi. We did it. We coded Digi so that we could all paint a butterfly together. Wow!
Oh, hey, lots of purity hua.
Hi, do you know what I was doing? I was pretending to drive a racing car. Hey, I know a really cool game we could play. It's called If and Then. For this game, you can be the robot and follow the instructions, and I'll be the programmer who tells you what to do. But first I need some shapes. Cool. Okay, come on. Find a clear space. Here are the instructions. If you see he tapatoru, a triangle, then you need to pretend to drive a car. And if you see he porofita, a circle, then you need to pretend to drive a tractor. And if you see he tapawhāngai, a rectangle, then you need to pretend to fly your aeroplane. Have you got it? Great! We're ready to play. Mā taki tonu mai. Keep watching to see which shapes are going to pop up. Hit it! Ooh, triangle! Drive your car. Good driving, robot driver. Oh, Digi thinks you're a great driver too. Oh, an airplane rectangle. Woo. Whee. Oh, circle. That's the tractor. Here comes a corner. Oh, it's so bumpy. Oh, aeroplane again. That was fun. You're really good at being a robot and following instructions. Ka mutu pea. We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. Engari noho ora mai. Digi's here.
Hey, I'm here to say ka kite.
Come on, sing with us. Ka kite, thank you for coming, ka kite, on this beautiful day. Ka kite, ka hoki mai ano, for another let's we'll be back again. Ka kite, thank you for coming, ka kite, have a wonderful day. Ka kite.